Alright, we are at yet another beach in Cyprus. This is Agia Triada or Trinity Beach, and it is right now 5 p.m. and I'm ready for yet another swim in Cyprus. Water looks super nice. And we are ready to dive in. Super nice. It's super nice, and this beach is not that crowded like the rest of the beaches in Cyprus. It is sand bottom where I am here, and you can see the full beach here as well. And it is also getting ready for sunset. And yes, this beach is still part of a city called Paralimni. And this is the 9th different beach spot I visit today on my beach adventures. And it is 2nd of September. Today, 29 degrees in the air, 30 in the water, so it's super nice and warm. And yes, in this Cyprus episodes, I'm giving you facts about Cyprus, and for this video the fact is that there is a cool phenomenon that around 10,000 flamingos have a layover or stop at the Larnaca Salt Lake every year in autumn on their quest and move towards south. And yes, now it's September, but I don't think it is their time yet. Otherwise it would have been very interesting and very special to see that phenomenon. Of course. Okay, enjoy a bit more in this scenery over here. And this beach is called Agia Triada because there is a church, the little white thing there in the middle, that you can see a closer look later on when I go along the coast. And yes, this beach also has a blue flag, EU blue flag, and it's one of the 45 beaches in Cyprus like that. And this beach, Agia Triada or Trinity Beach, is not so far away from Protaras, around 3 to 4 kilometers depending on where are you staying. And yeah, I think I'm gonna visit one beach later also, that's called Pernera Beach. It's 3 kilometers away from here, and that's gonna be the last one. And yes, that will make 10 beach stops today on this wonderful 2nd of September. And enjoy one last view of the beach before I wrap up. Yes, that's a wrap for this episode from Agia Triada or Trinity Beach. And thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe to follow more fantastic beach adventures on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!